to Marshmallow. So today we are doing a room tour of my room, obviously. So starting at my desk, I have my laptop running Fortnite. It's not running, it's updating. I have this pretty cool gaming mouse, pretty inexpensive. I got these F&D speakers. They were really inexpensive and I just needed some good speakers for my setup. They're not really properly fitted because I still have to find a way to fit them over there. It's not really working out right now. We need some wires. So I mainly play PS4, as you can see. So I got this TV so when I'm watching a movie I can just do this and it kind of works as the remote. It has HDMI control. For audio mainly I use my PlayStation headsets. These are really nice. Up here I have the AirCod 790S, I think it's called. I have the Netgear Cradle. The cradle is mainly so I have Ethernet, as you can see, I use to connect my Wi-Fi. Also, this router isn't too long range for my house, so I had to get I got this so I can reach it on the other side of my apartment, because this is the furthest corner in my house towards the west or wherever, I don't remember. My PS4 is regular, everyone knows, Apple sticker. You can see the LEDs from up here. Now, my bed. So I sleep up, my mom sleeps down, obviously. My cat sleeps over there for some reason. That place is really nice. I can put my laptop, I can make a cushion wall there and sit, watch a movie or something. I usually can't watch a movie because the battery life, but it's pretty nice. Alright guys, so I was watching the video clip and I noticed my hand was on the mic, so I couldn't use it. But yeah guys, so thanks for watching. Leave a like if you like it, dislike if you don't like it. Comment down below any tips or tricks I can do to maybe improve my setup. And yeah guys, that's all for today. See you later.